Hello everyone, I'm Gigi Arabia, CEO and founder of Heavy Arabia Entertainment and the founding president of the Saudi MMF. We're here at Riyadh Music Week at the IMMF ceremony, where we're celebrating all of the people who have greatly contributed to both the local and international music scenes.
My name is Rami Zaidan. I'm the managing director of Billboard Arabia. It's been a great couple of days here in Riyadh Music Week, starting with XP, where everybody came together, workshops, amazing talks with the thriving subcultures, Music Maker Summit happened today and yesterday. Amazing panelists, amazing panels talking about global best practices and how things are happening, discussing both infrastructure, policy, and many other topics. Tonight at the IMMF Award has been fantastic as well, celebrating managers all over the world, straight from here in Riyadh, and the Billboard Power Players event that happened on Monday. And tomorrow, for 3 days, the biggest after party in the world, the Soundstone.